Okay guys, just a quick one here, a quick video here on replacing the VTEC solenoid on K series. This is the VTEC solenoid at the back here above the oil filter. There's just a little couple 10 mils to take out. I believe it's small 10 mils. Yeah. Oh, actually smaller. But yeah, pull these bolts out here. I'll situate the camera somewhere, and I've got a new VTEC solenoid. Straight from Japan. OEM is best. I don't even know if there's any other VTEC solenoids, but yeah, it comes with the gasket and everything. It's direct replacement, so I'm going to pull this whole system off and put this new one in. Okay, so just looking at the bolts at the back, just cracking those. For some reason, they were really hard on this one. I've seen other people in videos just take it off with their wrench. But yeah, I had to get the impact, so it was a bit hard for me. So if it's hard for you, just grab an impact or a breaker bar and get those bolts off. Okay. Oh, okay. What the hell? You just pull it off. Smells healthy. So pretty simple. Just have to pull it off there. You guys would have seen. That is supposed to come out. So we're gonna pull this rubber bit off, because there's a new rubber one on this. And simple. Continue on. Yep, so go ahead and just pull that old rubber off, and make sure to give the surface a clean before you pop the new one in, just to be sure. It's always good to give it a clean after that. And then pop the new one back on. I did not use any RTV. I have seen people use RTV, but this current one didn't have RTV, and I think the one on my Accord doesn't have RTV as well, and I don't have any leaking issue from the VTEC solenoid. So I just popped it back on and put the bolts back in and sent it with the impact. Yeah, so that's it. Very simple. It's in. See ya. That's the old one.